Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, do you need the AI to help you to generate the image for free and fast guys? If yes, so you can start to introduce yourself with this GenTube AI. Yes guys, in this video I would like to share you how to use this GenTube AI to create the image for free and also in the various picture guys. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you would like to access this GenTube AI, then don't worry because this AI is accessible whether that from your PC or from your smartphone or even the tab guys. And here I'm using the PC to access it to get more spacious view. And don't forget to type and search for this GenTube AI, and this is the GenTube that we will use because when you scroll down you will find another GenTube over here. And if you need another tutorial to create the image from this too, don't worry to let us know on the comment section, and we would like to create the video on the different version guys. And if you would like to use this GenTube AI, then you can simply click this and don't forget to do the login first with your email. And basically this is the home page of the GenTube. And also make sure that your connection is good to try out this image generation guys. Basically you will find the profile over here and also the notification and also the create. This is the section to help us to create the image, and this is the section to put the prompt and generate the image. And usually the picture will be shown over here. And if you would like to see the trending picture from another user or another creator, then you can click trending and you will see a lot of picture over here. And if you would like to get connected by another user, then you can click following over here and you will find the account of the another user and start to follow them. And you can also create the characters, invite the friends by share this link into your social media, or have the frequently asked and question. The answer and also the question, and also share the feedback, join the Discord, or even get a job from this GenTube AI guys. And to create the pictures, you can start to click create over here. And you will see this is the section. You can start to put the prompt into this section, and you can also refine or even enhance your prompt by click this beautify your image. And you can also adjust the setting, for example the aspect ratio, auto save, auto create, and also show blocks and also random seed. And also you can combine the idea. For example, I would like to try this recommendation or the idea from this GenTube. For example, tutorial in rainbow fields. And without clicking the generation or the generate button, this GenTube will automatically give you the generation process or the picture. And you click this section, you will see a full of the template. And for example, you can combine the area fast like this, and it will show you the another or the additional detail. For example, I will type this Harry Potter comic strip like this, and it will help you to generate another picture automatically like this guys. And if you would like to save this picture or download it, you can actually save it manually like this. because if I show you the step like this or the manual step like this and save the picture, you can actually simply download it like this manually, or you can also open the profile and the rest of the picture or a lot of picture you have generated before will be saved into this profile, and you can choose one. For example, I will choose one over here, and you will see the three dots on the top right corner. You can click this and click download, and after that this picture will officially download it into your device. And if you download by this way, you will see the watermark of this GenTube over here. And for example, if you would like to generate another picture, I will show you the step. For example, like this. And kindly wait for the process. And you can also click this. It's like the refine to get another picture. So this is the another picture, and this is the previous picture, guys. So by clicking this one, you will have a lot of another picture will be produced or will be generated, guys. And not only this button, you can also click this. It's kind of the sweeping experience, or create another picture by only sweeping. You can click this and you will see another picture too. And a lot of this picture will be also saved into your profile. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And don't forget to try this GenTube app. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.